let's make some depressed nun cookies. So I started out with 4 tablespoons of butter and about a fourth cup of molasses. And then I'll beat that together until it was a light color. Then I added an egg and continued beating until it was a lighter color. And nice and smooth. And I added 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, and a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of soda. Mix that into it. I added a cup of flour and mix that up. And once you get that all mixed up, you can put it on your pan and bake it. I got this idea from watching Tasting History. The cookies that he was making had no leavening flour or butter. I mean, it had flour, but no butter or anything to make it good. His sad cookies were kind of sad, but bake them, and these are actually pretty good. They're not sweet, but they're good.